those fence sitter dudes.
Nah, bro. I'm voting for the Woodchipper.
JD. JD Delay. If you were being dead ass serious about making your Woodchipper run for president, when it's time to vote, I will go down there. I will record myself fucking in the write-in section. I will write in Woodchipper. Are you doing that? Because I'm going to fucking do it. Get back to me, JD. Please do. Bye. Oh, and I figured out who Woodchipper's running mate should be. Gelding Tongs. That's right. Because we gotta make sure, we cut their balls off so they don't sexually defile the Woodchipper with their stupid fucking peepees. But yeah, Woodchipper and Gelding Tongs 2024. Let's do it.